Cookery Grade 9, First Quarter. Learning Outcome Number 1. Our topic is Clean and maintain kitchen tools and equipment, including kitchen premises. Before we start, can you name some cooking materials, kitchen utensils, and equipment that are commonly found in the kitchen? Raise your hands. Very good. Now, why do you think keeping those cooking materials, kitchen utensils, and equipment important? Anybody? Very good. Cleanliness is very vital in every kitchen where food is prepared, cooked, and served. In order to avoid food contamination, kitchen tools, equipment, and other utensils used in preparation should be cleaned and sanitized as often as necessary and should be stored properly after each use. Equipment surfaces that are not in contact with food should also be cleaned frequently to minimize accumulation of dust, dirt, food particles, and others. Proper sanitation of kitchen tools and equipment after cleaning them is important to prevent foodborne disease or illness, most commonly known as food poisoning. Now, here are the list of cooking materials, kitchen utensils, and equipment that are commonly found in the kitchen. Are you familiar with these utensils and kitchen equipment? Okay, very good. Do you know how our kitchen tools and equipment used in cookery is classified? What are the tools and equipment in each classification? Give at least 2 for each. For cutting, what are the kitchen utensils that used for cutting? In measuring, mixing, baking, and top-of-the-range equipment. As the world battles COVID-19, everyone should be aware of the importance of self-protection. Cleaning is a process of removing food and other types of soil from a surface, such as a dish, glass, or cutting board. Cleaning is done with a cleaning agent that removes food, soil, or other substances. Always remember that the right cleaning agent must be selected because not all types of cleaning agents can be used on food contact surfaces. The following are the factors that influence the cleaning process. The first one is the soil. It is varying degrees of food soil will be deposited on the equipment during production. These food soils will require complete removal during the cleaning process and will affect the cleaning compound used, along with the method of cleaning. The second one is the time. The longer a cleaning solution remains in contact with the equipment surface, the greater the amount of food soil that is removed. More time in contact with the soil reduces the chemical concentration requirements. The third one is the temperature. Soils are affected by temperature in varying degrees. In the presence of a cleaning solution, most soils become more readily soluble as the temperature increases. Another factors that influence the cleaning process is the chemical concentrations. It varies depending on the chemical itself, type of food soil, and the equipment to be cleaned. Concentration will normally be reduced as time and temperature are increased. The fifth one is the mechanical force. It is as simple as hand scrubbing with a brush or as complex as turbulent flow and pressure inside a pipeline. This aids in soil removal and typically reduces time, temperature, and concentration requirement. The last one is the water. Minerals in hard water can reduce the effectiveness of some detergents or sanitizers. Water pH ranges generally from pH 5 to 8.5. Water used for cleaning and sanitizing must be potable and pathogen-free. Here are the different types and uses of cleaning agents. The first one is the cleaning agent or hard surface cleaners. These are the substances, usually liquids, powders, sprays, or granules, used to remove dirt, including dust, stains, bad smells, and clutter on the surface. Another is the acidic cleaning agents. These are mainly used for removal of inorganic deposits like scaling. The active ingredients are normally strong mineral acids and chelants. Often, surfactants and corrosion inhibitors are added to the acid. Hydrochloric acid. This is a common mineral acid used for concrete. Vinegar can also be used to clean hard surfaces and remove calcium deposits that also helps to maintain our environment bacteria-free. Sulfuric acid. It is used in acidic drain cleaners to unblock clogged pipes by dissolving greases, proteins, and even carbohydrate, containing substances such as toilet tissue. Alkaline cleaning agents contain strong bases like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Bleach and ammonia are common alkaline cleaning agents, often dispersants to prevent redeposition of dissolved dirt and chelants, to attack rust, or added to the alkaline agent. Alkaline cleaners can dissolve fats like oil and protein-based substances. Neutral washing agents. These are pH neutral and based on non-ionic surfactants that disperse different types. Next is the degreasers. These are cleaning agents specially made of grease. These may be salt-based or solvent-containing and metamorphic. Scouring agents. These are a mixture of the usual cleaning chemicals as well as abrasive powders. The most common and always available in our kitchen is the all-purpose cleaners. It contains mixtures of anionic and non-ionic surfactants, polymeric phosphate or other sequestering agents, solvents, hydrotrophic substances, polymeric compounds, corrosion inhibitors, skin protective agents, and sometimes perfumes and colorants. Here are the common cleaning agents: water, soap or detergent, ammonia solution, calcium hypochlorite or the powdered bleach, citric acid, sodium hypochlorite or the liquid bleach, sodium hydroxide, and the acetic acid. In addition to the list of common cleaning agents, various forms of alcohol, borax, sodium bicarbonate or, or baking soda, tetrachloroethylene, carbon dioxide, chromic acid, trisodium phosphate, salt water, sodium percarbonate, sodium perborate, acetone, amyl nitrate and other nitrites, and xylene can damage plastics. Remember, special care is needed for highly concentrated cleaning products. Products should be diluted accurately according to the manufacturer's directions. This can be achieved through a variety of methods, including the use of measuring cups, simple dispensing pumps, and more complicated automated dilution equipment. The personnel in charge of cleaning should understand that adding an extra amount of concentrated product does not make the work go better or faster. Special care is needed in mixing cleaning agents. These are the cleaning agents that should not be mixed, such as drain cleaner plus drain cleaner. Never mix two different drain cleaners. These are powerful formulas that could even explode if combined. Use one product only. Another is baking soda plus vinegar. Baking soda is basic and vinegar is acidic. When added together, it will produce mostly water and sodium acetate. Vinegar will make the baking soda to foam up. If stored in closed containers, the mixture can explode. Hydrogen peroxide plus vinegar. Don't mix the two products in the same container. Combining them creates peracetic acid, which is potentially toxic and can irritate the skin, eyes, and respiratory system. Still in preparing cleaning agents according to instructions. Do not combine bleach and vinegar. They produce chlorine gas which can cause coughing, breathing problems, burning, and watery eyes. Same with bleach and ammonia. Bleach and ammonia produce toxic gas called chloramines. It causes the same symptoms as bleach and vinegar along with shortness of breath and chest pain. Bleach and rubbing alcohol. The combination can be irritating and toxic. Make it a rule to never mix bleach with anything but plain water. Here are some proper dishwashing techniques. Prior to the washing operations, the following must be observed. Scrape the leftover found in the kitchen tools and equipment. Pre-wash the soiled tools to prevent large remnants of food to enter the sink. Resort to systematize the storing of the tools. The following are the procedure in washing, rinsing, and sanitizing. Clean sink before using it. Wash, rinse, sanitize, utilizing a 3-sink method or the so-called 3-bucket method. As you can see in the picture, the first one is to scrape, then wash, rinse, sanitize, and then air dry. Still on procedure in washing, rinsing, and sanitizing. First compartment or sink, wash with a hot detergent solution. Second compartment or sink, rinse off with clean, hot water to remove the detergent and to be successful in washing. The rinse water should be kept clean, and once soiled, it should be replaced at once. Third compartment or sink, sanitize food contact surfaces of all equipment and utensils using the immersion method with the addition of clean solution such as hydrochloride, iodine, or ammonium compound. Always remember, one who maintains cleanliness keeps away diseases. This is Ella C. Valdez, your TLE teacher. Thank you for listening.